name is NORSHAFIQ ASHRAF bin SAMSURI. My matrix number DN180003.
Hi, my name is AHMAD HISYAM. Matric nama DN180031.
Hi, my name is HAMSYARI bin ADZMI. Matric number DN180028. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Divasheeny Saravanan. My matric number is DN180059.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm TUAN NASUHA BINTI IBRAHIM, DN180032.
Good evening. Before start the presentation today, I would like to introduce myself. I'm Divasheeny. So the purpose of the presentation is to propose an additional level and roof structure for Aman Larkin Sport Complex, which located as Jalan Aman Larkin Utama. The project is handled by our company, Aman Construction Sdn Bhd. Next. Next. Before start, let me show the organizational chart of the company. The Chief Executive Officer is NORSHAFIQ Ashraf bin Samsuri. The project director is Ahmad Siraj bin Muhammad Hisham, followed by Tuan Nur Nasuha as planning engineer, myself as designer engineer, and AIZAT HAMSYARI bin ADZMI as audit executive. Next.
A proposal to complete perfectly Aman Larkin Sport Complex, Jalan Aman Larkin Utama, 80350 Johor Bahru, Johor. The top of the body design with JDMSM for a complex building. Our proposal is we design a building with additional floor, which is gymnasium for viewing of sporting event. Okay, to enclose the area, our building is 165 meters square and consists with basement parking and additional floor for gymnasium. As a previous I have told, the total level for the building is 6 level floors. The objective for the structure of the additional floor exemplifies the integration of inner city community into the city urbanization, including indoor recreation. Next. The concept is to boost the proposed area to ensure the creative thinking with the ability to apply with Autodesk Revit. We are using Autodesk Revit because Revit is essentially known as Building Information Modeling, which is BIM, which is program for engineers, designer, architect, and for on. This proposal we are planning tasks. We are using Microsoft Project to track the progress of project, which is financial S-curve and physical S-curve. Next.
Alright, now for the proposed idea, which is concept of additional floor, gymnasium center. Gymnasium appears to be one of the most popular spots for people to come every day. As a facility where people working out their body, a gymnasium center may be established. In the sport complex building, there are many sports or game center that have been conducted here, such as snooker center and bowling center. There are also a big hall for public to make any events by reservation. The gymnasium center was feasible to build as the area has a relatively large population, specifically among the young, so that it can draw customers. The gymnasium provide many trainers and teachers to teach anyone who come to the gymnasium. With the gymnasium center in this area, the nearby university can make this gymnasium center as a fitness facility. Alright, now I will show you the drawing of our project. Alright, this is our building. We're using Revit, Autodesk Revit for building this building. As you can see, at the rooftop is our gymnasium center with a roof and truss. We make the wall transparent, so it will become more attractive. Alright. Thank you, Happy. Next. Alright, this is our site design location. The gymnasium center is comfortable for visitors and situated at the top of the facility, preferably as part of the main place to visit. It is close to other leisure and recreation facilities and popular attractions such as commercial building. Alright, second, amenities and services. The building is situated in such a manner that the entry and other architectural elements are easily visible from the surrounding path. Provide landscaping using natural planting and material in compliance with installation planning guideline. Coordinate for the standard or force protection. Provide building, recreational activity and parking areas with free standing outside lighting for overnight site use, protection, construction description and identification. Provide the building with electricity, telephones and communication and fire alarm system. Alright, next. This is the gymnasium center design. For exterior design, first, the exterior of the gymnasium center expresses the impression of interesting gym activities that exist inside the structure. By making it transparent with glass wall for the gymnasium, it can attract public and visitors to visit the gymnasium not once but every single day. With vibrant, casual and welcoming exterior, the building owner wants to establish a dynamic exterior design. The gymnasium surrounded with some landscape that suiting the view of the trainees or trainers during their workout session will give them a peaceful view to enjoy. For interior design, the sense of energetic and excitement enjoyed by the visitors is clearly defined by the visual character of the gymnasium center interior. To achieve the good qualities, a dynamic lighting and high-end air ventilation were used. Although the gymnasium has roof, but it is an open truss to make the ventilation process smoothly. Alright, next. For functional area criteria, first, patron toilets. The building includes separate plumbing features for men and women in amount as specified by the applicable plumbing code, including provision for people with disability. Second, special requirement. Use a transparent wall finishing to ceiling or up to 7 feet above the finished floor. Use non-slip ceramic tile for flooring. Provide towel dispenser and waste container. Use rubber floor finishing which water resistant. It also can prevent mold and mildew growth. Alright, next. For lockers, our lockers provide 10 lockers per lane as a general reference. The lockers are produced in vertical stack of 5 lockers, 72 inches long, 16 inches wide and 24 inches deep. For reception counter, we locate a control desk to approve visitors, provide areas for cash and operation and communication, provide accessories, display cases and rack. Alright, next. Lastly, for the restroom, we locate the restroom near locker area, provide adequate space and shade public views into restroom. Furnish with soap dispenser, paper towel dispenser, disposal unit, toilet paper holder, mirror code hooks and partitions. Alright.
Okay, now I will explain about the additional floor idea by using Revit structure software. Okay, the construction of the gymnasium on the top floor is built in the middle position so that the existing columns can be used to accommodate the load and at the same time reduce the cost of renovation work on the structure of the building. The stairs need to be extended to combine the existing once lower levels to new and upper additional level. The exterior walls on the stairs from the ground floor to the additional floor have been replaced with a curtain wall. For the additional level of being a gymnasium, AHMAD Construction Center Berhad is proposed to install a glass curtain wall as shown in the drawing details. Glass curtains walls are also installed around the additional floor area which acts as a parapet wall to keep the area safe. Okay, so this is the view for our additional level. The first one on the left is the additional level where the position of our gymnasium, and the second is the view of floor plan, and the third view is the 3D view. Okay, now I will explain about the truss structure. Truss structure we use fin roof and W-shaped truss. So it is traditional. It has been the most commonly used type of roof truss, providing a simple, easily customizable and cost-effective roofing solution. Fin is a web-based truss design that provides the most economical roofing solution. Web members form a W to provide a high-strength structure with excellent load capacity. AHMAD Construction Center Berhad has decided to use fin trusses with W shape on the gymnasium located on the additional level. So the characteristic of the fin truss with W shape is in accordance with their application. Fin roof frames are labeled of the roof truss type Able to reach much greater distance, its strength can be used to support other roof areas by doubling the number of stands, namely on the hip roof. Due to its design flexibility, fin truss is the most frequently used truss in roof design, with a wide span of up to 40 meters and pitch distance from 0 degree to 60 degree. Fin truss offers an economical and versatile roofing solution. Fin truss can be produced from 35 mm thinner wood, section, or steel. The smaller the section means that the truss is lighter. So, the advantage of fin truss with double shape. The first one is they are used for longer span having high pitch roof, since the web members in such truss are subdivided to obtain shorter members. Second, a fin truss is the most commonly used type of residential construction truss. The third advantage is it is composed of several bolts or steel bars that connect together to form an intersection at the top angle of the roof. The fourth one is these trusses provide support for the rafters and give the roof its rigidity. And the last one for the advantage is a fin truss is the perfect solution for many architectural design and allows for several different types of roof lines while providing the strength and stability needed.
Next, for the Gantt chart of additional floor and roof. The additional floor is the fourth level of the building. The duration for build it may took 91 days and assume the work will start on 15 June 2023. The duration is quite long because of the RC beam, RC slab, RC column and staircase work as shown in the Gantt chart. Next, for the roof, formwork, rebar, concrete trusses, concrete roof tile and gutter works may take 25 days to finish as assumed. The work will start on 17 October 2023. Next. Costing for the additional floor and roof. The cost for build the fourth level may need around 108,262 ringgit. However, the cost for the RC beam, RC slab and RC slab works it's around 20,700. Next.
Okay, the physical S-curve. Okay, physical S-curve is to monitor the work plan progress of the project. Basically, it shows the work progress within the months because we choose the physical S-curve to display by months. Okay, so as we can see, the highest is at month 31. Okay, it is where the project is at its peak. Okay, and the lowest is at month 6. Okay, then at months 2, 7 until 11, 12 until 16 is same constant due to work percentage is completed. Okay, next. Okay, next is the financial S-curve. Financial S-curve is also the same as physical S-curve, but it is translated towards the cost. Okay, as stated above, the detailed cost, the project is about 8 million ringgit, and the highest is at the first month. It is where the insurance application and all signboards are taking place. Therefore, it is the highest cost, and the project decreases it to below 500,000 ringgit and the second month. Okay, next. Okay, basically in conclusion, this gym is proposed as a gymnasium sports center suitable for the building with a sports council where it is served to the community, everyone around it, everyone in the building to fulfill their needs of fitness, they fulfill their need of recovery and the council for sport activities. As we all know in the design, the outdoor gym is a viewing place, therefore making it a well infrastructured during this type of year where the infrastructure is all getting towards the future. Therefore, with the cost of 8,1,200,000, 4,343 ringgit as a total cost, where everything is implementation suggested with the concept and ideas, certain commercial building will hold extremely valuable prospect, especially soon by fulfilling comfort, fitness, sport and council place. Next. That's all from us. Thank you.